To remove an old toilet, first turn off the water supply and flush until the tank is empty. Then, disconnect the supply line from the tank. Remove the plastic flange nuts from each side of the base and lift the toilet out of the room. To prepare the flange, scrape away the old wax, wipe with a cloth, and remove the old flange bolts. Then use a tape measure to locate the center of the flange and transfer reference marks to the floor that will help align the toilet during installation. Insert new flange bolts in line with the reference mark on each side of the flange. Then install the wax ring by firmly pressing it in place. Now, lift the new toilet over the flange and hover as you line up the bolt holes to the reference lines, and lower the toilet until the bolts pop through. Use body weight to sink the toilet into the wax ring. Next, check for level. Apply pressure front to back and side to side to assure the toilet is level and properly set. If needed, plastic shims can be used to level the base. Next, install the flange nuts on both sides of the toilet and hand tighten. Then, add the trim caps. Now, connect the filler hose. Turn the water on and let the tank fill. Once full, test flush and check for leaks. Then, install the tank cover. Finally, add a bead of sealant around the base, tool with a damp cloth, and the toilet installation is complete. For more tools and projects, visit stanleytools.com/project guides.